Hello, everybody. I'm going to do combined critiques again. So, Angelique and Quincy. So, first, I will start with Angelique. You probably downloaded first. Yep. Okay, so we're dealing with economics, and of course, I've said this before, but you don't want to depend on words because number one, the words will tell the story for you, and you don't have to do the effort of thinking up a concept. And number two, many illustrations end up on an international stage, and if you put a specific language in there, it won't get used. So you want to stay um, word free as much as possible. But of course, numbers are fine. So, what does that say? I can't read it sitting straight. Oh, you know what? It really doesn't matter what it says. So, think about how you can get this idea across without words. So, that's a bull. And I don't know much about the stock market, to be honest with you. I think I was asleep that day in class, but this is more along the lines of what you would want to do. Like, I know that has something to do with the economy, and the idea gets across quickly. The only issue is I would look at images of bulls and really try to get that likeness so it's a little more quicker, maybe a little less human. Whoa, okay. This is why you want to upload stuff is at the same size so that when the viewer is checking it out, they don't have to skip around the page. Okay, so another piece with a sign. Again, how could you get this across without words? So, um, hmm. I don't know. You have to give that some serious thought. But at this point with this fast-paced class, I recommend doing the bull one. Okay. All right. So you've got other images here that show the reference. That's fine. Think about how you could show jobs if you wanted to do that one. Let's see, what would you be handing out exactly if you were handing out jobs? I'll give that some thought. If I come up with anything, I'll definitely add it to your critique. Okay, so Quincy, let me get yours here. Wow, it's quite a detailed drawing. I like that idea a lot. It's really creepy, but a great idea. And unfortunately, it could become a reality. Ugh. I'm not thrilled about the idea of using words for the reason I just said with Angelique. So I don't think you need a price tag. You don't need the word sale. You can just take that off and just use the price. So you got the same idea. Ugh, that's a really good drawing and a great scan. Ugh, also. So these are all good ideas, and actually they would work really well for the political cartoons too. So whichever one you decide to do, um, think about it running internationally. So my only critique here is it looks like you did your sketches in pen. You're supposed to do them in pencil, and I don't know, maybe you tweaked the scan so that it's very black. But if you didn't, of course, the reason you want to do it in pencil is when you show this to a client, they are still thinking that it's in progress rather than a finished piece, and clients react negatively when you don't include them in the process. And then also, you just don't want to get tied down. You want to keep it free, loose. You can do that better with pencil. Anyway, good drawings, great ideas. Just think about the international client. Let me know if you have any questions.